If you make a good product, it will be copied. Your competitors won't be able to stay away from it. The customers demand it. You've made what you consider to be a relatively minor improvement to solve the customer's problem, and now that's what the customer wants. So what a patent does is it keeps the competitor from copying the product and selling it at a lower price. What you want as a company is you want to be the leader in your field. You don't want somebody else to come along with the benefit of what you've already learned and copy your product and sell it at a lower price. If you have thought about it ahead of time, if you're getting patents along the way as you're making those improvements, you can get that position of market leadership and keep that position of being a step ahead of the competitor. Intellectual property is an umbrella term for anything that's proprietary, especially proprietary technology. So it includes patents, trademarks, trade secrets, copyrights also. Most companies tend to overlook getting patents. They think that they're just in an ordinary kind of business, an ordinary industry, an ordinary technology. As a consequence, most companies let most patentable inventions go by unnoticed, and they come to regret that. If a company employs engineers and programmers, they're almost certainly making inventions. They may not recognize them as inventions. The engineers and programmers look at those improvements and they say, well, no big deal. They might actually be a really big deal, and they might very well be patentable. Most people approach patents by taking whatever the invention disclosure is that the client writes up and basically reformatting it, putting a cover sheet on it, and filing it as a patent application. At Beem Patent Law Firm, we are after getting Beem patents. When we get a patent for a client, our name appears on the face of the patent as the patent attorney, and competitors will recognize our name. They'll know that some quality went into that patent. We stop to really think about what that invention is and to talk to the client about it, to talk to the engineers, to talk to the programmers. And we write up a much fuller, more complete patent application before filing. The Beem team is really focused. It's a crack team of patent attorneys and staff. We're very active in bar associations, including the American Intellectual Property Law Association. So I have a very extensive network of associates throughout the nation, really around the world, so that anytime our client has a need in any city, we're able to solve that need, working with the other attorneys as local counsel. Every invention has a story, and every inventor has a story. We've worked with companies that have created industries that never even existed before, and they've done that with patents.